Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on create, edit, and play presentations will provide you the steps to create, edit, and play a presentation of specific views of your project in the 3D window. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the presentation tool can be accessed. To access the presentation tool, on the ribbon menu click on the presentation tab. The tool is available in the create group. To create a new presentation, click on new presentation. A presentation will be displayed in the project tree, and the other tools will become available on the Presentation tab. Once the presentation has been created, now you're able to make edits. To edit a presentation, click on Edit Presentation and the Presentation Editor is displayed. To make a key step, just right-click on the step you wish to set and select Set as Key Step. To set step timings, transitions, and sequences, use the move up or down commands to reorder the required steps. Delete a step by click and delete. In the Continue Trigger column, select from the following to set transitions: Immediate, Click Button, and Wait. If you choose Wait, set the number of seconds in the Seconds column. To play the presentation, select the required presentation from the project tree, and in the Play group, click Play. The Play Commands shortcut menu is displayed. In the menu are the following: Stop, Previous, Pause, Continue, and Next. To modify playback settings, click Playback Settings, which is to the right of the Play command in the Play group. Here you can set the presentation to play automatically or manually, adjust flight speeds, adjust the flight algorithm, adjust the flight loop, adjust the previous or next functionality, and set the caption position. All you have to do is click the arrow next to the required field and select your preference. We went over how to create, edit, and play a presentation of specific views of our project in the 3D window. This concludes the tutorial. For more information, refer to Chapter 16, Presentation tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.